Hey, it's Ryan from Off-Road Addiction. Today we pulled in a truck into the showroom. It's a 2020 Ford Ranger. Yeah, they've really stepped up popularity in the since they've come out. We're really busy building up these guys like this. We're using the Rough Country product. We put a Flowmaster exhaust on it too, right? Sorry, Martin. I usually use the MBRP, but the customer requested the Flowmaster. I don't know. So I went and found the keys. Pretty cool little truck. All right, so we're just gonna chat about the wheels super quick. Do a lot of the Falken Wildpeak ATs. So we got a 285, 55, 20. You guys that love inches and stuff, it's basically 33, 11 and a half, 20. These are probably 20 by 9, so you got 20 inches, 9 inches wide, and then there's gonna be offset and back spacing. That's gonna dictate really how far out or in the wheel sets. Don't mind the dog. Come here, shh, we're doing stuff, look. Wait, where's Wes? Go find Wes, he's busy. Dog loves to follow Wes around. I don't know what it is. I think Wes smells like cheeseburgers or something, eh? Enough about me and Wes and the dog.